Fibromyalgia, a condition that causes widespread muscle pain, some days so bad that I cannot even get out of bed. In this video, I'm going to go over a few things I've learned to help manage this painful and debilitating disease. If you have joint pain, weariness, cognitive problems, or sleep problems after COVID-19, you may have fibromyalgia, a chronic health disease that is affecting more people who have recently recovered from the deadly infection. Many individuals who had COVID-19 not long ago are now being diagnosed with fibromyalgia, a persistent pain illness affecting the bones, muscles, and ligaments. Chronic fatigue, sleep difficulties, irritable bowel disease, depression, and anxiety are frequently associated with this condition. Because there is no specific test for this disease, it is difficult to diagnose. Women are more affected than males by this health issue. Other risk factors for fibromyalgia include obesity, therapy with supplementary oxygen, and hospitalization to an intensive care unit (ICU). What is it about working from home that makes it so painful? Experts share their insights. Fibromyalgia is a condition whose source is unknown. According to preliminary evidence, several disease-specific mechanisms, such as virus-induced injury to blood vessel linings or neuromuscular structures, immunological derangement, and smoldering inflammation, may explain the pathophysiology of fibromyalgia. Is not a life-threatening disease, and it can be managed with lifestyle changes such as exercise, alcohol restriction, meditation, or dietary adjustments. Worries about COVID-19 can generate unnecessary stress, which is a major trigger of fibromyalgia flares and can exacerbate symptoms including sleep issues, discomfort, and depression. The following approaches to help with stress and fibromyalgia. Every day, take a few minutes to meditate or practice deep breathing. Progressive muscle relaxation techniques including all of the muscles in your hands, tummy, and legs are also an option. Maintain an active lifestyle. Exercise can help to alleviate the pain and stiffness associated with fibromyalgia. Take a stroll, ride your bike, or engage in any other aerobic activity that you enjoy. Yoga, which combines deep breathing and gentle movements, is also a good option. Limit your alcohol consumption. Too much alcohol might cause sleep disturbances and other health issues. Avoid eating junk food and saturated fats in your diet. Fruits and vegetables should be consumed in plenty. Get enough sleep every night by going to bed at the same time. Take a warm bath or meditate before going to sleep. Locate help. Although social isolation may hinder you from seeing your loved ones, bear in mind that they are only a phone call away. Thank you for watching.